Insta360 Flow stands out as an impressive smartphone gimbal in 2023. Its striking appearance, pocketable size, and clever features like the built-in tripod and extension rod make it a practical choice for content creators. Additionally, the gimbal's exceptional artificial intelligence tracking abilities, robust software, and well-rounded performance further solidify its position as a top contender in the market. The company previously caught our attention with the release of the Link webcam, which integrated a 3-axis gimbal. It was evident that Insta360 was committed to incorporating gimbal technology into their products. However, instead of following the expected path of creating a device similar to the DJI Osmo Pocket 2, they surprised us yet again with the smartphone gimbal. One of the standout features of the Insta360 Flow is its unique appearance. Unlike any other gimbal on the market, it boasts clever and practical aspects, such as a built-in tripod and extension rod. This appearance innovation enhances its versatility and convenience, making it a highly attractive option for users on the go. The Insta360 Flow has a sharp appearance and shares many stylistic hues with items under the Nothing label. The majority of the white plastic in our review unit conceals a black PCB below a transparent panel on the arm. Even the slogan "Think Bold" from Insta360 is printed in a dot matrix font, just like on a Nothing product. We're not criticizing since it may not be the most inventive appearance because it looks beautiful. One 180-degree hinge is used to deploy the gimbal, making it the quickest and most straightforward approach so far. The magnetic metal clamp that holds the phone in place was significantly influenced by the clamp on DJI's Osmo Mobile gimbals. Not because of its utility, but rather because there is nowhere to place it on the gimbal itself, and it may easily get lost. The clamp from DJI has always given us pause. But with the Insta360 Flow, the clamp can stay in place even when the gimbal is folded, which is something we really appreciate. The product as a whole has been incredibly well thought out. It is one of the most portable gimbals available today, and manages to include tripod legs and a substantial extension pole. This is so that Insta360 can accommodate these useful hidden capabilities in the handle, while maintaining battery life by moving the battery pack into the gimbal's arm. Although the integrated tripod isn't the most durable item available, its extended legs work well enough on a flat surface, and the fact that you don't need to carry a separate gear makes the entire setup much more portable. However, a 1/4-20 tripod thread is also included for situations where you require the maximum stability. The extension rod has a tilting hinge at the top and can extend to a maximum length of around 8.5 inches. The gimbal's tilt axis is quite constrained by default, as we observed with the DJI Osmo Mobile 6, thus this hinge is required to accomplish specific angles. We received the Creator Kit for review, which includes a silicone grip sleeve for the handle, a spotlight attachment, and a translucent carry bag that makes us extremely nostalgic for the early 2000s. Since the Insta360 Flow uses the same app as the company's action cameras, we are already pretty accustomed to its layout. Similar to other Insta360 devices, pairing is quick, simple, and dependable on both the Android and iOS operating systems. However, you could discover that the options available to you within the app vary considerably depending on your phone. For instance, we could only choose up to 4K 30fps on our Vivo X90 Pro, but we could choose up to 4K 60fps on our Google Pixel 6 and iPhone 12 mini. The Insta360 Flow's ability to track subjects is one of its most amazing and practical capabilities. Of course, most gimbals have this feature, but we've never seen it work as smoothly as it does with the Flow. Since topic tracking is the main way that 360 camera users reframe their footage for distribution, Insta360 has years of experience with it. Since its algorithms have become extremely sophisticated as a result, Flow is able to track people and things far more accurately than its rivals. When employing gesture control, the Insta360 Flow mostly uses the same commands as the Link webcam. Being able to start tracking and recording without touching your phone is handy if you're filming yourself. During our testing, the gesture recognition was pretty much faultless. That's not all that surprising, though. It worked flawlessly on the Link, so it stands to reason that the Flow will benefit from the same software magic. The application walks you through each control on first usage and is incredibly user-friendly. The physical controls on the gimbal can even be used to review and play back your film, which is something we hadn't seen before, but made perfect sense in practice. Additionally, FlashCut can automatically edit your video after you finish filming by identifying the highlights and syncing them to the music using artificial intelligence algorithms. The Insta360 Flow's setup is the easiest and fastest we've ever experienced with a smartphone gimbal. It is even quicker to set up than the already speedy DJI Osmo Mobile 6 since, as we previously indicated, you only need to unfurl one axis for deployment. This type of appearance does have some restrictions, though. The Insta360 Flow's tilt axis is rather constrained, just as we discovered with DJI's most recent gimbal, so you'll need to use the extension rod's hinge to achieve some angles. Both the Flow and the Osmo Mobile 6 take a vertical first strategy, but both can be rapidly shifted into landscape mode with a few button presses. Most users should be pleased with the steadiness, but as always, you should be a little cautious when moving the Z-axis. The only significant issue we have with the controls is that the joystick lacks pressure sensitivity, making it impossible to take incredibly slow panning images. Although there are 3 speed levels available, more precise control would be preferable. Given that the Flow is the company's first try at a smartphone gimbal, we believe it is an outstanding product. In fact, we believe it may be the most complete smartphone gimbal available right now. This is partly because of Insta360's excellent software and artificial intelligence tracking capabilities. No other brand comes close to the accuracy and dependability of the Insta360 Flow when it comes to subject tracking, which is in our opinion one of the most alluring features of a smartphone gimbal. The excellent appearance is a further consideration. With a tripod and extension pole integrated right into its compact frame, this gimbal is not just among the tiniest and most portable ones you can purchase, but it's also one of the most adaptable. It's not perfect, of course. We prefer a larger range of motion, particularly on the tilt axis, and we'd also like a more consistent experience among Android phones. These criticisms, however, also apply to the market-dominating Osmo Mobile 6. Other gimbals may perform better in some areas than the Insta360 Flow, but none provide a more comprehensive package. This gimbal, in our opinion, should be purchased in 2023. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it is useful for you. Have a nice day and good luck.